Enoch Chapter 73. And after this I saw another law dealing with the smaller luminary, which is called the moon, and her circumference is like the circumference of the heaven, and her chariot in which she rides is driven by the wind, and light is given to her in definite measure. And her rising and setting change every month, and her days are like the days of the sun. And when her light is uniform, it amounts of the 7 parts of the light of the sun, and thus she rises. And her first phase in the east comes forth on the 13th morning, and on that day she becomes visible and constitutes for you the first phase of the moon on the 13th day together with the sun in the portal where the sun rises. And the one half of her goes forth by a 7th part, and her whole circumference is empty without light, with the exception of 1/7 part of it, and the 14th part of her light. And when she receives 1/7 part of half of her light amounts to 1/7 part and the half thereof. And she sets with the sun, and when the sun rises, the moon rises with him. It receives the half of 1 part of light. And in that night, in the beginning of her morning, in the commencement of the lunar day, the moon sets with the sun, and is invisible that night with the 14th parts and half of one of them. And she rises on that day with exactly a 7th part, and comes forth and recedes from the rising of the sun. And in her remaining days she becomes bright in the remaining 13 parts.